And it's time for the Sunday Science Tidbit. So during my weather forecast, you may see me use a graphic called atmospheric moisture. What you're really looking at is precipitable water. So let's talk about it. Well, the formal definition, according to NOAA, hold on, this is going to be a little long, is a measure of the depth of liquid water at the surface that would result after precipitating all the water vapor in a vertical column over a given location, usually extending from the surface of 300 millibars. Okay, raise your hand if that made no sense. I just saw you raise your hand. So here's what it really means. If we could take all of the moisture out of the column of the air of the lowest layer of the atmosphere, we would basically get to put all that rain into a rain gauge, and that's the precipitable water value. So many meteorologists refer to the precipitable water as p-watts. And it's a valuable tool for meteorologists. It doesn't really tell us if it's going to rain or not, but it can indicate if we've got really good moisture in the atmosphere, and the more moisture you have, well, the better chances you can get at rain. So when we start getting really high values, it could mean a heavy rain event. So it's just one tool that we use among many to give some rain potential. And speaking of Sunday Science Tidbits, I need your help. So we're not going to have a science tidbit next week. I'm off next Sunday, but starting off a new year, you've got to let me know what you want to talk about. We've got Kelvin-Helmholtz waves. Those are really cool clouds. We've got an illusion called Fata Morgana, and I've also got this really neat one that is so hot that it can actually make you feel cold, and that's all I'm going to tell you about that.
Yeah, those are good. And so you go and vote on your Facebook page.
Yep, go on my Facebook page. I've already got it up, so you can go over there and vote.
All right, thank you, Candice. We'll be right back with more news, weather, and sports after the break.